If you've installed bathroom or kitchen accessories before, you probably have experienced the hassles of drilling holes and tightening screws on wall surfaces. It is noisy, dirty, messy, and time-consuming. Worse still, it may damage your wall tiles, internal cabling or piping, which can be costly to repair. Now, there's an easy, effective, and cost-saving way to install bathroom and kitchen accessories without drills and screws using VTech Power Screw. VTech Power Screw is an adhesive formulated based on advanced MS polymer technology. It provides an instant grab. No tools or equipment such as power drill or screw is required. It's easy to use and it's environmentally friendly with a low VOC content that does not leave a chemical smell in your bathroom or kitchen. Once fully cured, Power Screw can support up to 17 kilograms of load per square centimeter. It is truly as powerful as the name suggests. VTech Power Screw is recommended for bonding on hard surface, such as tile, metal, wood, etc., as long as the surface itself is strong enough to hold the load. Therefore, bathroom and kitchen are ideal places for bonding with Power Screw. VTech Power Screw is weather resistant, specifically to UV sunlight, water, rain, and extreme temperatures. Therefore, it can be used for outdoor applications such as bonding of flower pots, number plates, and decorative bricks. To apply VTech Power Screw, Step 1. Clean up the target surface. Step 2. Mark the contact area on the target surface. Step 3. Apply Power Screw on the object. Step 4. Press the object firmly onto the target surface. Step 5. Clean up any excess Power Screw and let it cure for 48 hours. We recommend minimizing the object weight during installation for better bonding and reassemble it upon curing. To ensure that a strong grab has been achieved, test it by adding the estimated maximum weight on the object. Remember, the more the contact surface is, the stronger the grab will be. Once Power Screw is cured, it will bond permanently unless you choose to remove it. To remove it, use a hairdryer to soften the bonded area for 3 to 5 minutes. Cut it out with a knife. Then remove the residues. That's all it takes. Fast, clean, and easy. VTech Power Screw is available at your local DIY and hardware stores. Visit www.vitaltechnical.com for more info. VTech Power Screw, the smarter solution for your household bonding applications. VTech, formulated for the professional.